Oh.
King of the jungle. Take one.
Oh.
Down to the knot. You don't want to hold. There you go. Yeah, it's all. Go. I do know. Why would you want? Yeah.
Ow, are you okay?
Oh!
Do it.
In the end, it's like you can see you landing, you can see the.
What? Nice try, bro.
You didn't catch me, Mom. Watch out! I don't. You're not gonna do it.
What are you doing?
3, 2, 1, go! Yo, here we go.
Oh, be careful, man.
Go ahead. Come on, Dad. Dad! Turn around! Try.
Good, nice. Oh no, the road is so slippery.
Yeah, go. Let's go. Let's go. Ready?
It's a girl bike.
Go forward.
Oh, I can't believe you just did that.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Whoa, got the weave in there. Got the bob and weave in there. Oh, now you gonna look too fast. Now you gonna look.
Oh, what's up, buddy?
It's okay, Chris. You get your bearings. You okay, Chris? Wait, Chris. What are you doing? Put your foot back in. What are you doing? He coming back. I think he's scared. Are you scared, Chris? He can't do it. Go get him. Please go get him. Come back, Chris. Come back.
Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.
Funniest thing I've ever seen. Trishawn!